Alright, objective 4 is next. This is going to put together a lot of those things we've been talking about, but it's the same work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're given an equation here and we're given a point. So this is sort of like what we did on Wednesday. We want to write an equation of a line that passes through this point, 1, -5, and that's parallel in this case to this equation. So in other words, we need to find out the slope of this equation, and it's going to be the same as the slope that we're going to write for the other equation. So to do that, just solve for y. And we've got our slope. It's +4, right? Okay. So now I know that my equation is going to go through 1, -5. So I've got a y, I've got an m, I've got an x. I don't have a b, but I can figure it out by solving this equation. And then I can proceed to write my new equation. Slope is 4 because it's going to be parallel to the other one. Y-intercept is -9. Not positive, but -9. There it is. Alright, this time we want perpendicular. Good news. Equation's in slope-intercept form, so I need to find a perpendicular slope to that one, which is its opposite reciprocal. So the slope of my new one is going to be -1/5. So I need a line that has a slope of -1/5 and it passes through this point. So I'm going to plug into the slope-intercept form equation. 4 for the y, -1/5 for the m, -2 for the x, and leave b and solve for it. If I do that multiplication, I'll get +2/5. Take away 2/5 from both sides. Okay, so do some work here. 4/1 minus 2/5. I need to make this first one into fifths, so I need to multiply the top and bottom by 5. So b equals 18/5. I've got my slope here, I've got my y-intercept here. My equation looks like this. You can just leave that improper, or you can change it if you want. It will be 3 3/5. Go ahead and add these two problems to your assignment for this objective.